mukaru hongei-ni cia njera Salome Muhia niahinyiririe a Kenya kugura na kuhuthira indo ithondeketwo ni Ohwo, na Salome augite gicunji kinene gia faida iria ikumana na uguri wa indo icio igukorwo ikigurwo ni tabarira cia guthomithia kuhitukira cukuru cia moko.
We are involved in tailoring, making of clothes. We are involved in carpentry. We are involved in welding. We also have prison farms where we realize we plant a lot of crops, a variety of crops, and we also rear other animals like pigs and goats and sheep. We are the public, because now a levy has been put in place to increase the cost of importing goods. We urge you, support us, because part of this income will eventually go back to training our inmates. We are having conversations with the relevant PS to see whether we can revive that leather factory so as to produce shoes, leather shoes for both ourselves and for sale to the public. The number of convicts serving their sentences is far less than those who are in remand. And so that is an issue we are looking into so that we continually decongest. A lot of our land has been invaded in. Once we have obtained titles to our land, then we can look into any other possibility.
Na tugithie na mbere ni ati aikari